Automation is no longer just for big businesses in this time. Solopreneurs can run either business efficiently without hiring a full team. But how exactly can you automate everything without getting overwhelmed? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see how solopreneur can save time, reduce stress, and growth smarter with automation. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make tools and technology simple, practical, and easy to implement for your business. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for links of the tools and the free trial you can get started using right away. So let's start with the basic. The first thing every solopreneur should know is that automation is not about replacing you. It's about giving you more time to focus on growth. Tasks like the email follow-up, social media post, lead tracking, and customer reminders, it can all be automated. This means you don't have to spend hours every day on repetitive tasks. Platform like GoHighLevel, System.io, or the Zapier can make automation easier, even better. For example, with GoHighLevel, you can build the automated email and SMS sequence, and you can set up the reminders for the appointments and even manage your client or leads in one place. It's like having a personal assistant, marketing team, and project manager rolled into one tool. Another key area is content and social media. You can schedule posts in advance, automatically share across multiple platforms, and even use template to save time on graphic and the messaging. This way, you can maintain a constant online presence without having to manually post every day. Even customer communication that can be automated. The chatbot, the automated replies, and triggered messages allow you to respond instantly to the questions and also to the follow up on inquiries and guide the prospects through your sales funnel without being glued to your phone or inboxes. The beauty of the automation for solopreneur is the scalability. Even if you are a one-person operation today, this tool allow your business to grow without adding extra stuff. You can handle multiple clients, product, or campaign, all while focusing on strategy, creativity, and revenue growth. So in this present time, the solopreneur can truly work smarter, not harder, by using automation tools to save time, reduce stress, and give you the freedom to focus on the parts of your business that actually matter. So if you want to start automation your business, I have left the link in the description. You can check that. And for the GoHighLevel, it has the 14 days free trial. But by using my link from the description, you can use the free trial up to 30 days. So check that link for the extended offer. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.